I did not know him either. Look what happens if you eat it. Nature is filled with so many healthy fruits that we can use to our benefit. These can treat many diseases and conditions, if we learn how to use them correctly. It seems a lie, but this small fruit gives us much nutritional benefit, and is in danger of extinction because of the little interest of farmers in planting it, as well as little or no government policy in some countries to encourage the cultivation of products that are not known how profitable they are. It prevents stomach cancer and even helps to heal the prostate. This fruit we are talking about today is known as the golden berries, yellow berries. This fruit is a small round sweet fruit, which is why you will enjoy its benefits. There are more than 50 types of berries that have been used since pre-Columbian times. They are popular in Peru and Colombia, and were considered a sacred food by the Incas. The fruit spread to the whole world in the 18th century and is usually consumed by people of higher class. Today, golden berries are consumed all over the world, but especially in England and Germany. It is known by the name of capulli or tomatito silvestre, fruit of the gods and Incas, since it was only consumed by the ruling class of that civilization, located in the sacred valley of the Incas, that today is comprised within the territory of Peru country located in the South American continent. Benefits of this fruit. It fights asthma. Relieves bronchial problems. Calcium, helps with the formation of teeth and bones. Cancer, colon, intestine, stomach, prevents the onset of cancer because of its digestive properties. It fights mental fatigue. Cholesterol, decreases cholesterol levels in the blood. Fights depression. Diabetes, consume this fruit as it has a substance similar to insulin, etc.